Our lesson today is 7C. It is entitled Is It Enough? Look at your student book page 82 and guess what our lesson is about. Compare your answer with the following suggestions. Countable and uncountable nouns. Quantifiers such as some, much. Compound words such as somewhere, anywhere, and somebody. Other answers which are related to the topic are acceptable. Learning objectives. We have 2 learning objectives for this lesson. 1. To identify countable and uncountable nouns. 2. To use quantifiers such as some, much and many. In which school subject can we learn about grammar and countable and uncountable nouns? Yes, you are right. In Arabic. You are right. Other subjects talk about grammar as French and other languages. Watch the following video. Then, answer the 2 questions below. Questions. 1. What will Alfie use for his recipe? 2. What will Oliver use for his recipe?
So, our first chef is Alfie. Alfie, let's see your ingredients.
Okay, well, I've got a lemon, an apple, and some garlic, some butter, and some chicken breasts. Livers. Chicken livers.
Chicken livers? An unusual choice. Are you feeling confident?
Well, sort of. It's a challenge.
Okay, now to Oliver. Hi, Oliver.
Hello.
What ingredients have you got, Oliver?
Okay. Well, I've got a steak, some red chili peppers, some potatoes, cream, onions, and some giant prawns.
Wow, an interesting selection. How do you feel about the competition?
I'm pretty confident. I mean, steak and prawns, or chicken livers. I know which I prefer.
Check your answers. Question number 1. What has Alfie used for his recipe? The answer is: he has used a lemon, an apple, some garlic, some butter, and some chicken livers. Question number 2. What has Oliver used for his recipe? The answer is: he has used steak, some red chili peppers, some potatoes, cream, onions, and some giant prawns. Dear students, do you know the difference between countable and uncountable nouns? That's right. Countable nouns are those that can be counted, as 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. But uncountable nouns are those that cannot be counted, as water, bread, oil, money. Another thing. A countable noun can be used with a or an when it is singular, and can be made plural. For example, you can say, a book, an egg, boys, girls. A book, an egg, boys, girls. But an uncountable noun is not used with a and an, and cannot be made plural. For example, you can say, some water, much money. But it is wrong to say, a water, monies. Uncountable nouns include mass nouns, such as milk, sugar, water. Subjects of study, such as physics, history, geography. Languages, such as Arabic, French, Chinese. Sports, such as football, cricket, tennis. Diseases, such as chickenpox, malaria, measles. Natural phenomena, such as rain, snow, mist. Collective nouns, such as money, furniture, luggage. Certain other nouns, such as accommodation, anger, luck. Certain other nouns. Go through the words in the box below. Then make two lists, countable and uncountable. Popcorn, pea, onion, peach, lobster, cereal, water, bread, yogurt, salmon, meat, salt, spring onions, juice, ketchup, cauliflower, cheese, mustard, cabbage, celery, lettuce. Check your answer. Check your answer in 1 minute. 1 countable nouns include the following: pea, onion, peach, lobster, yogurt, salmon, spring onions, cauliflower, lettuce, cabbage. 2 uncountable nouns include the following: popcorn, lobster, cereal, water, bread, yogurt, salmon, meat, salt, cauliflower, ketchup, lettuce, cheese, mustard, cabbage, juice, celery. Notice that underlined nouns are countable and uncountable at the same time. 1. Countable nouns include the following: lobster, yogurt, salmon, cauliflower, lettuce, cabbage. 2 uncountable nouns include the following: lobster, yogurt, salmon, cauliflower, lettuce. Try to guess why some nouns are countable and uncountable at the same time. You are right. Nouns can be countable or uncountable according to what we think of them. Nouns are countable if we think of them as one thing. For example, that's only one yogurt left, meaning a pot of yogurt. 1 pot of yogurt. Nouns are uncountable if we think of them as adjectives. For example, we need some yogurt for the cake. Yogurt here is a quantity, not a number. Exercise. Underline the uncountable nouns. Then make 3 sentences using 3 words. In 2 minutes. Check your answers in 1 minute. Suggestions of sentences. 1. I always watch the evening news. 2. I have to save up money for my trip. 3. Furniture is usually expensive. 4. For more information, please contact the front desk. 5. I comb my hair every morning. 6. Travelers must check in their luggage 3 hours before the flight. 7. You can ask your teacher for advice. 8. Milk is good for your bones. 9. Yesterday, I have pasta for dinner. What is the time, please? There is always heavy traffic on this road. Countable nouns and quantifiers. Countable nouns take the following quantifiers in front of them. 1. Some. It is used in affirmative sentences. Example: there are some books on the table. 2. Any. It is used in negative and interrogative sentences. Examples: there aren't any apples in the fridge. I have never seen any of his films. Have you read any science fiction stories? Three. A lot of. Lots of, they are used in affirmative sentences. Example: there are a lots of, oranges in the fridge. For many, they are used in negative and interrogative sentences. Examples: how many children do they have? There aren't many parks in the center of the city. 5 a few. It means not many but enough. Example: we have a few apples. We can make an apple pie. 6 few. It means hardly any, almost none. Example: there were very few people queuing in the bank. Uncountable nouns and quantifiers. Uncountable nouns take the following quantifiers in front of them. 1. Some. It is used in affirmative sentences. Request and offer. Examples: there is some milk in the bottle. Could you lend me some money? Would you like something to drink? 2. Any. It is used in negative and interrogative sentences. Examples: there isn't any petrol in the tank. I have never met anyone like him before. Has anyone seen Jim today? Has anyone seen Jim today? 3. A lot of. Lots of, they are used in affirmative sentences. Example: he earns a lot of money. For much, they are used in negative and interrogative sentences. Examples: did you spend much money at the supermarket? I don't earn much money. 5. A little. It means not much but enough. Example: there is a little coffee left. Would you like another cup? 6. Little. It means hardly any, almost none. It can be used with very for emphasis. Example: there is very little sugar left. I'll go and buy some. Exercise. Tick V in the right box in 2 minutes. Check your answer in 1 minute. A challenge question. I have a few friends. I have few friends. What is the difference in meaning? That's right. I have a few friends means I don't have many friends. I have few friends means I hardly have any friends. Almost none. Now, it is time to have more exercises. Choose one of the following exercises to answer. Check your answer in 1 minute. Student assignment: write at least 5 sentences using quantifiers. Thank you.